Hey YouTube, what's going on? I'm back with another really quick short video, y'all. I finally got my SipsBy Box, y'all. I didn't get to upload the one that I have last month. For whatever reason, I didn't get my box, but I let them know. But they made sure I got this month's box, y'all. And let's just tear into it, because I have been really loving these teas and the Teamy Blend teas. I put both of them in my diffuser by Teamy Blend. Sometimes I even mix them, y'all, for real. So let's see what we have this month. I just love how they personalize it, where it says, see, made for Raquel. I just love that. Okay, the first thing I see in here is the Storehouse Earl Grey Organic Black Tea. I have 4 of these. Ooh, anything organic, and they're USDA organic, 1 sachet. Okay, these are what they look like. Okay, I got 4 of them. The tea bags are inside. And the next thing I have in here, ooh, lemon yapun, lemon balm, lemon peel, and lemongrass. Wow, okay. Well, wait a minute. Let me back up on the Earl Grey. What does this say about that? Organic black tea leaves, essential bergamot oil, medium caffeine. That's what I wanted to know. And for the lemon yapun tea, Asheville Tea Company, they are low caffeine. Okay. Caffeinated plant native to North America. I'm just happy. I don't know what yapun is, but the lemon balm, lemon peel, and lemongrass, I'm gonna love these, because I just like lemon tea. I used to love my lemon sweet tea. It's only 3 of these in here, guys. That's what they look like. And the next thing I see in here is Kevin Black tea with mango. Ooh, Ajari, A-J-I-R-I tea. It's high caffeine. Yes, that's my kind of tea. Wake me up, pick me up. And what does this say? It comes from Swahili. Is that Swahili? S-W-A-H-I-L-I. Swahili. Word employed. Okay, it creates employment for people of Western Kenya. Okay. And all the net profits go to education and local orphans. Oh, okay. That's cool. I will definitely. This says you can get 15% off at Ajari Teas. Okay, at Ajari Tea is their Instagram, so I'm assuming it's ajaritea.com. And this is Kenya Black Tea with Mango. This is what it looks like. Alright. I got a lot of teas this month. 4, 8. And the next thing I see, it looks like it's a couple little sample teas. Organic honey vanilla tea by Miracle. Okay. That's the Miracle tree. And there's only 1 in here, Moringa organic tea. This says Moringa. And this is not on here, but it says it's Miracle tea. Oh, it is organic honey vanilla moringa tea. I'm so silly. Look at the back. It says honey vanilla. And there are 1. Oh, they flip over and they turn. You see? Okay, I'm kind of slow. These are caffeine-free. Moringa is one of the world's most nutrient-dense superfoods. It's rich in vitamins, minerals, and amino acids. Okay, guys, this is it for my SipsBy this month, guys. And like I said, these are my $15 a month box teas, and I just love tea, so I'm not sad about this at all. So yeah, that was a quick short video. I didn't even have to stay here long running my mouth. So I will see you guys later. Stay blessed and bye, y'all.